Hello, this is NathanAhn, and today we'll be going over the circle problems here today. And the first question is 100 divided by 10, that should be 10. And we have 125 divided by 5, and if you write that out, 5 how many times does 5 go into 1? 0. What about 12? 2 times. Minus 10 from 12, you have 25. How many times does 5 go into 25? 5 times. And that's your answer, 25. For number 3, 216 divided by 36 is 6. If you want to check that, we have 36 times 6. 6 times 6, 36. Carry over to 3, so 3 times 6 plus 3, we should get 21. And that's your answer, so it's correct. And next we have 1024 divided by 8. How many times does 8 go into 1? 0, or about 10. 1. Minus 8, we have 22. How many times does 8 go into 22? 2 times. So 22 minus 16. We should get 64 because of the 4. And then how many times does 8 go into 64? 8 times. So that's our answer, 128. For number 6, we have 434 divided by 14. And solve this by dividing. How many times does 14 go into 4? 0. How about 43? 3 times. So 42. 43 minus 42, you should get 1. And then after 4 over here, how many times does 14 go into 14? 1 time. And that's our answer, 31. For number 7, we have 297 divided by 11. So writing that out. How many times does 11 go into 2? 0. 29. 2 times. So minus 22. We have 77. We have 7. And then move to 7 over other 7 over here. And how many times does 11 go into 77? 7 times. And that's your answer, 27. For our second section, we have parts of division. And then our first question is blank divided by 10 equals 10. And we could just find it by multiplying 10 times 10, so you get 100. For number 2, 12 blank divided by 12 equals 15, so you can multiply 15 times 12. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry over 3, so we have 30. And then we have 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. Add them, 180. So our answer is 180. For number 3, we have blank divided by 4 equals 19. So we could just do 19 times 4. And then we have 36. Carry over to 3. So 1 times 4 plus 3 is 7. So 76. For number 6, we have 414 divided by blank equals 18. And to find it, we could do 414 divided by 18. How many times does 18 go into 4? 0. What about 41? 2 times. So 41 minus 36. That would be 5. And then we have the 4. And how many times does 18 go into 15? 4. 3 times. So our answer is 23. For number 7, same thing. 46 divided by blank equals 6. We could find it by dividing 46 by 6. How many times does 6 go into 4? 0, 48. 8 times. So how about 6? So minus 48. We have 6, and how many times does 6 go into 6? 1. So it's 81. And then for our next section, we have these word problems, and our first one is Piggy was in charge of 300 children. If you want to divide the children into groups of 7, how many groups would be there? How many children would not be in the group? So to find this, we could divide 300 by 7. So how many times does 7 go into 3? 0, 7, 4 times. So 30 minus 28, we have 20 remaining. And how much times would 7 go into 20? 2 times. So we're left with 6. So, in conclusion, there would be 42 groups, but then the amount of children that wouldn't be in a group would be 6. And for our next question, we have 15 children, each got 8 candles. How many candies were there in total before they got divided between the children? And to find this, we could just do 15 times 8. So we have 5 times 8, 40, carry over to 4. So 1 times 8 plus 4 is 120. So the answer would be there would be 120 candies before it got divided between the children. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.